Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Regions Bank. This is a question I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to share my thoughts on it. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about what we're looking for in a good bank. For me, the most important factors are reliability. I need a bank that I can trust to keep my money safe. Convenience. I want to be able to access my money easily, whether online, in person, or by phone. Good customer service. If I have a problem, I want to be able to get help quickly and easily. Competitive rates. I don't want to pay more than I have to for banking services. Now, let's take a look at Regions Bank and see how it stacks up against these criteria. Reliability. Regions Bank is a large, well-established bank with over 1,800 branches in 16 states. It's a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your money is safe even if the bank were to fail. Convenience. Regions Bank offers a variety of ways to access your money. You can use online banking, mobile banking, or visit one of their many branches. They also have a 24/7 customer service hotline. Good customer service. Regions Bank has a good reputation for customer service. They have a team of friendly and knowledgeable representatives who are available to help you with any questions or problems you may have. Competitive rates. Regions Bank offers a variety of banking products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and CDs. Their rates are competitive with other banks in the area. So, is Regions Bank a good bank? Overall, I think Regions Bank is a good choice for most people. It's a reliable bank with a good reputation for customer service. It offers a variety of products and services, and its rates are competitive. Of course, there are always other banks to consider. It's important to do your research and compare different banks before choosing one. Additional things to consider. Fees. Some banks charge fees for things like overdrafts, ATM withdrawals, and monthly service. Be sure to check the fee schedule before you open an account. Location. If you're looking for a local bank, you'll want to choose one with branches near you. Special features. Some banks offer special features like rewards programs, cash back, or free checking. Consider which features are important to you. Ultimately, the best bank for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. I encourage you to do your research and compare different banks before making a decision. Regions Bank is a good bank with a lot to offer. It's a reliable bank with a good reputation for customer service. It offers a variety of products and services, and its rates are competitive. If you're looking for a good all-around bank, Regions Bank is a good choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.